Hey guys, back aboard Forager for another sailing session. As you might have noticed, I did not publish any video last week. We had hurricane or cyclone Daniel around here, and some of the boats broke loose from the mooring, and it was a bit hectic at the sailing school. And for 3 days we were like babysitting everything. I didn't have time to do much, and after that I had to go in the workshop and start one of the most boring jobs ever: polishing the pushpit, the pulpit, and the stanchions. So today I said enough is enough. I want to go out for sailing, and here I am. Let's recap on where are we with the refit. Next job on my Kingfisher's refit is to get the pushpit and the pulpit back on. Of course, there's some work to be done before I can do that, like welding some of these holes shut and get rid of all the rust, a lot of scratches which I don't know if I'm going to be able to completely remove, as well as that huge dent. I certainly don't want to put this back in place as is, so I'm going to try and weld that first. Maybe I can weld this here as well to fill this dent and get rid of some of the scratches. I think this is only 1.5 mil thick stainless, so I can't really push too hard on the electrode. And I'm definitely not the best welder. Well, not even a good welder. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, now I'm going to be using these polishing discs. This one has sandpaper in there. This one doesn't. There's one which is even bigger grain, which is the one I'm going to use first, see if I can get rid of all those scratches. Then I'll go next one down, then just this one, and finally I'll do the polishing with something else I'll show you later. Okay, second disc's done. Now I'm in the last one, no sandpaper on this, and I've got this bar of soap that I'm supposed to rub here to start polishing and taking off these small scratches. Let's try. Now I'm gonna try and go for this one. Another couple hours. Now I'm going to be using this felt wheel. I've got the polishing soap here. This has been a really labor intensive task, guys. Some might ask, is it worth it? I don't know, we'll see in the end. For now, another couple hours with this thing. Okay, I've never done this before, and I never thought this would take so long. There's still one more to use. But to be honest, I'm a bit fed up of this for now, and I have a choice to make. I stay here another day in the workshop, or I go out sailing. And to be honest, guys, I think I'm going sailing. I can show you some of the results so far though. Not exact mirror finish, but this Pushpit is about, I don't know, a few decades old, so can't really expect miracles, can we? I will finish it with the last, I think it's a rag wheel, something like that, and then we'll see. But for now, they're forecasting some wind increase later on in the afternoon, so I'm going sailing. I plan to have that finished this week, so I will probably be fitting them back on next week. Beautiful sailing, very nice and relaxed. Look, hands off, I just use my tiller. Look, I can't really do the self-steering because there's not enough wind to yield the boat and make it self-steer. I can kind of do it with my weight. Yeah, that works, but then it's not relaxing anymore, is it? Okay, there's Papa Midas over there. Let's meet them. Tá controlado, tá controlado. Anda Johnny, pega aí, mano. Ja. Não. Não, não, tá bom. Obrigado. Let's have a look at that dory. knots. 11. Knots, 9, 10, 10, easy 11 knots. 12. And heading back home. Not much to say for today, guys, so stay safe and I'll see you next week.